Okay, the 11th question is the roots of 2x minus 2 by x that equals to 3. So multiplying this x both sides, 2x square minus 2 that equals to 3x. So 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So it forms a quadratic polynomial. So expanding this quadratic polynomial, 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 equals to 0. 2x into x minus 2, taking the 2x common here and here 1. So 2x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0, then 2x plus 1 into x minus 2. So the value of x are, the roots are minus 1 by 2 and comma 2. And 12th one, root 3x plus root 2y equals to 2 root 2, root 2x minus root 3y equals to 3 root 2. Then find the value of x and y. So let us take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So multiply root 3, the equation 1 with root 3 and equation 2 with root 2. So we get these equations, equation 1, equation 2, which is multiplied by root 3 and root 2. So here we can get 3 plus 2 5x that equals to 3 plus 2 5 root 6. 5 cancel. So x value is root 6. So substitute this value in equation 1. So root 3 into root 6 plus root 2 into y equals to 2 root 2. So the value of y equals to minus 1. So here x equals to root 6, y equals to minus 1. 13th one. How many sides will be there in a polygon having 54 diagonals? So the formula of polygon is n into n minus 3 by 2. They have given that it have 54 diagonals. So that equals to 54. N into n minus 3 that equals to 54 into 2 that equals to 108. N square minus 3n equals to 108. So it forms a quadratic polynomial. So here expanding this quadratic polynomial, n square minus 12n plus 9n minus 108. So here we can find the values. N plus 9 into n minus 12 equals to 0. That means n equals to minus 9 comma or 12. Then n cannot be minus in negative. So the value is n equals to 12. 14th one. A ball is thrown from the top of a building of height 25 meters with an initial velocity of 15 meter per second. If the height of the ball hits from ground at any point of time t is given by h equals to 25 plus 10t minus 3t square. The time taken by the ball to reach the ground. So by differentiating this h with respect to time, then 25 plus 10t minus 3t square by dt, then minus 60 plus 10. So the value of dh by dt is equals to 0, as they have given that they have told to find the time taken by the ball to reach the ground. So dh by dt equals to 0. That means 10 minus 60 equals to 0. So t equals to 5 by 3 seconds. Next one. If the solutions of ax plus by equals to 2 and bx plus y equals to 5 are and the solutions are 4, 6, then find a value. So let us take these two values as ab and xy in equation 1 and equation 2. So dividing this equation by 2, then we get the value of 2a plus 3b equals to 1. And from this equation, substituting 4, 6 in the place of x and y, 4b plus 6 equals to 5. So here b value equals to minus 1 by 4. Substituting this b value in this equation 1, 2a plus 3 into minus 1 by 4 equals to 1. 2a equals to 1 plus 3 by 4, that equals to 7 by 4. That means a equals to 7 by 8. Next one. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? So from the given options, if we consider this option, first option, x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals to x minus 2 whole cube. Expanding this, a minus b whole cube. So x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. So x cube cancel. Sending this 6x square this side plus 6x square minus 4x square, that equals to 2x square minus 12x minus x minus 11x plus 8 plus 1. So 9. 2x square minus 11x plus 9. The quadratic equation, which means it should be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the option is first one. Next one. F of x equals to 5x power 4 minus 9x cube minus 3x square plus 11x minus 18 is divided by x minus 2. That means x minus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to 2. Substitute this x equals to 2 in the given polynomial or f of x, then the value is 0. So the remainder is 0. 18th one. If the difference of reciprocals of age of a boy 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 8 by 9, then the present age of the boy in years is given that age of boy 3 years ago and 5 years after. That means let us take the present age of the boy as x years. 3 years ago, that means x minus 3 years, and after 5 years x plus 5. So the ratio is 8 by 9. That means 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x plus 5 equals to 8 by 9. So solving this value here, we can get the value as x square plus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. So finding the roots here, we can also find it by expanding, or we can also find it by with the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 4 into 1 into minus 24 by 2. So the values are 4 comma minus 6. The boys, minus 6 is not the answer, so the answer is 4. So the present age of the boy is 4 years. 19th one. Sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers is 340. Sum of two consecutive, that means x and x plus 1, let us take. They have given that sum of squares and that two even positive numbers. So they have to be 2x and 2x plus 2. So adding these two, that equals to 340. Then 8x square plus 8x plus 4 equals to 340. Then 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 85. So by solving this, we get a quadratic equation x square plus x minus 42 equals to 0. Expanding this quadratic equation, x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42 equals to 0. Then x equals to 6 or minus 7. The value is x equals to 6. So substituting this x equals to 6 in the values 2x and 2x plus 2, then the values are 12 and 14. So the numbers are 12 and 14. 20th one. The pair of equations 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and 6x plus ky equals to 12 has no solution. That means the formula of no solution is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, that not equal to c1 by c2. So this a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So 2 by 6 equals to 3 by k not equals to 5 by 12. 2 by 6 equals to 3 by k. That means k equals to 3 into 6 by 2, that equals to 9. So the value of k is 9.